So on behalf of myself and all of our corporate staff, I want to welcome you to your 2018 Global Convention. I am truly surrounded by great people, and I enjoy being here. And that's one of the benefits of being here at LifeVantage.
We have one life only. What is your dash going to say? What are you fighting for? Are you fighting or have you given up?
Do you have a mission? Is there something that's burning deep inside in you about what we have here?
What are you missing in your life? What pains you that you wish you had that you see other people have and you don't think you can get it?
If you get great business success, it means nothing without great personal success. Every one of you can all get this. You just have to want it, and you have to work it. You have to believe it, and you have to see it, and you have to freaking own it.